Hello guys, do you want to remove CapCut watermark or CapCut logo from your video? Don't worry guys, in this video we're going to learn how we can remove CapCut logo or CapCut watermark. Let's get to it. The first thing you should do is import your video to CapCut. Then if you want to remove the watermark of CapCut, you have to go to the end of the video like this, and you have to click on ending section right here. Just click on the ending. And then if you want to remove the CapCut logo, you have to click on this delete option right here. Alright, and now the CapCut watermark has been removed from our video, and that's how we can do it. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, leave your comments, and also subscribe this channel. Bye!